Robots are no longer just science fiction. They're here and transforming industries, homes, and even healthcare. But as we dive into the future of robotics, we must ask, will they revolutionize our world or create challenges we're not ready for? Let's explore the pros and cons of the robotics revolution. Stay tuned to see how robots might shape our lives in ways we never expected. The future of robotics is filled with incredible possibilities. From advanced humanoid robots to swarms of tiny robots working together, the innovations are endless. Robots are expected to become smarter, more autonomous, and more integrated into our daily lives. Imagine robots assisting us in our homes, workplaces, and even in public spaces. Self-driving cars and drones will revolutionize transportation and logistics. These autonomous vehicles will make our commutes safer and deliveries faster. Surgical robots are becoming more precise, enabling complex procedures with minimal invasiveness. This technology will transform healthcare, making surgeries safer and recovery times shorter. Robots like AI assistants and cleaning bots are set to make our homes more efficient and comfortable. They will handle mundane tasks, giving us more time to focus on what truly matters. Factories of the future will rely heavily on collaborative robots, enhancing productivity like never before. These robots will work alongside humans, making manufacturing processes more efficient and safer. Let's start with the benefits of robotics and how they're changing our world for the better. Robots can work tirelessly, performing repetitive tasks with speed and accuracy, boosting productivity across industries. Robots are replacing humans in dangerous jobs like firefighting, bomb disposal, and hazardous material handling. From robotic prosthetics to precise surgical tools, robotics is saving and improving lives every day. Robots are assisting the elderly and disabled, improving independence and quality of life. While the future of robotics is exciting, it comes with challenges we can't ignore. These challenges are multifaceted and impact various aspects of our lives and society. Automation is replacing many jobs, especially in manufacturing, creating economic and social concerns. The displacement of workers can lead to increased unemployment and social unrest. Advanced robots are expensive to develop and maintain, limiting access to smaller businesses or underserved communities. This creates a technological divide where only large corporations can afford the latest innovations. The use of robots in military applications, surveillance, and law enforcement raises significant ethical questions. These include concerns about privacy, the potential for misuse, and the dehumanization of critical decision-making processes. As we rely more on robots, we risk losing critical skills and becoming overly dependent on technology. This dependency could lead to a loss of human touch in various fields, from education to healthcare. The future of robotics is undeniably transformative, filled with both promise and potential pitfalls. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's crucial to consider the broader implications of integrating robots into our daily lives. While robots can improve efficiency, safety, and accessibility, we must address the challenges head-on, ensuring a future where technology benefits everyone. This means creating policies that safeguard jobs, privacy, and ethical standards. What are your thoughts on the robotics revolution? Do you see it as a leap forward for humanity, or do you have reservations about its impact on society? Are you excited, concerned, or a bit of both? It's a complex issue with many facets to consider. Let us know in the comments below. Your opinions are valuable and contribute to the ongoing conversation about our technological future. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos on the future of technology. Stay tuned for more insights and updates.